time to sleep, little one.
I love the rain. Grandma, look at my drawing.
It's beautiful, Hannah.
I made this Ghibli style video with free tools. Recently, Ghibli style videos have been going viral, so I'm going to take it upon myself to teach you how to create this Ghibli style video for your page. If you are just seeing me for the first time, I'm Toyin, and you can call me Miss Toyin. On this channel, I talk about AI tutorials, how to use AI tools to create AI videos, and I do a little bit of YouTube growth that has helped me and helped me build channels from scratch to monetization stage. And if everything I just said now sounds like something you are interested in, I want you to click the subscribe button and like this video. So let me show you how to do this. Channels like Ghibli ASMR videos, Ghibli Days, and Ghibli Cozy Time, these channels have been making a whole lot of money just posting this video. And what this video entails is just vlogs, but in a Ghibli kind of style. I think this Ghibli style is also known as anime, but they call it Ghibli studio style. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create these Ghibli style videos so you can use it for yourself, and yes, use it to monetize any page, either Facebook or YouTube.
For us to be able to achieve this, we need to go to ChatGPT to paste our prompts. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the prompt in the comment section so you can just copy it and make use of it. Now I'm going to paste my prompt, but if you look at the prompt, there are some things you need to fill in yourself. Now it says here, video topic or title is empty, so you need to put in your video topic and your title. Now, one thing about Ghibli style is that they create aesthetically pleasing video titles, like video titles that are very nice and aesthetically pleasing, something that is calm, cozy, things like that. So I am just going to write a rainy day in the farmhouse, or a rainy day on the farmhouse. So next thing is our duration. For this duration, I'm just going to be putting 3 minutes. If you want to do something longer, if you want to do a full-blown video on YouTube, please do. I just want to use this as an example, so I'll be using 3 minutes for this. And there is nothing else for me to change, so I'm just going to send it to generate our images. Now this is a video title. This prompt is very packed. It gives you a lot of things that you feel you do not even need. The video title, and it also gave me alternative title that I can actually use for my story. Now this is a story concept. It says a quiet rainy day unfolds at a country house, farmhouse, stuff like that, and it gives me my character design, my character prompts. So I'm just going to scroll past it, and the number one thing you should be interested in is your scene. That is the main thing we'll be dealing with. Now this is my scene. This is my scene I'm working with, and this is the image prompt that comes up with this scene. The only thing you should look at in your scene is your image prompt and your animation or your motion prompt. So I'm going to copy my image prompts and go to any image generator tool I'm going to be using. You can use Gemini or you can use any other tool, but I am just going to use Whisk. Now I'll just go over to my browser and look for Whisk, and yeah, I'm going to see it here. I'm just going to see it here, and you just tap on it. This is how Whisk looks like. Now your interface might be different from mine because mine has changed. I'm just going to tap on new project. When creating, I want you to look down. Like I said, we are dealing with image first. Remember, we are creating our image prompt first. So I will tap here and change it from video to image. And I'm going to choose a ratio. Choose any ratio, 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for any other platform. So I'm going with 9:16 because I want it to be a short form video. Now I'm going to click here and paste my prompts. Now remember, we have our character prompt. So I'm just going to look through the prompt if there is any characters I need to change. As you can see here in the prompt, we have Hannah, a 10-year-old girl, and a cat sitting beside her. those are the two prompts we'll be needing. Those are the two character prompts we'll be needing. So I'll go over to ChatGPT where we have our character prompts and we have Hannah. I'm just going to copy Hannah. Go over and look for where Hannah is, and so we are going to delete where Hannah was written. I'm going to delete it and we will paste our prompt there. Remember, we are trying to make our characters consistent. For us to get a consistent character, we must create a consistent character prompt that we will impute anytime we see the name appear in our scene. Now the next one is the fluffy cat, the fluffy orange cat. I will go over to the prompt of the cat, look for it and download it. Once I see the prompt, I'm going to take it. Okay, this is it. Go over and I'm going to paste it and we send this for our image. As you can see, it's going. Next thing is to go to this next scene. Go over to the next scene, scene 2, copy the image prompt. Now if we read it, we have for our characters here, we have the grandma and Hannah herself. Our cat is also there, so we have 3 prompts we are going to impute here. So we go over to Whisk again and paste it, paste the prompt, then we go over and we keep doing this, keep getting the characters over and over and over again till we are done with the scene. We have the cats here. Okay. Go over to get for the grandma. Next character we have is Hannah, and we have to go to ChatGPT to get our own prompt. Now we go over to Whisk, wherever our prompt is located. We just remove our name, cancel our name from the prompt, and then put in our own character prompt that we generated already. Now we've done that, I am going to send it. I'll keep doing this till I'm done with all the scenes in the story. We are done with scene 1, 2, and we have about 6 more to go. So I'll keep doing this till I am done with the story. Now I've created the images. I didn't create it on here because I do not want this video to be too long or for it to take a lot of space. So we are done with the images now. The next thing I'm going to do is to go over and get my motion script to make this image a video. Now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and go down to my animation prompt or to my motion prompt. I am going to copy it. Now you can use Grok for this or any other video generator tool, but I am going to use this. But I will also show you how to use Grok in this same video. For me to turn each images to video, this is what I'm going to do. Now down here where there's the plus button here, I'm going to click on the plus button and go over to all the images here. The images are right here. So I will look down at the first image. It says girl watching. So I'm going to look for the one that starts with girl watching rain. That is it. That is what I want to work with. So I'm going to tap on it and it comes up here. I will just place my prompt and wait for it to load. Now the image is not showing, probably the network or something, so I'm just going to wait till it's done. Before sending, I would like to change the length or the duration of this video. Now if you look down here and you tap down here, you are going to see 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds and 10 seconds. I'm going to go for the 8 second. Now my video has loaded, it has loaded already, so I'm just going to send this and the video will start generating. It will turn that image to video. So I'll go to the second scene and I copy the motion prompt again, copy it, then go to the next scene. Again, I will do the same thing, click on this plus button. I'm using my phone to do this, by the way, so just in case you're wondering, I'm using my phone to do this and you can too. So the second prompt says elderly woman, like that, and yeah, this is it. So I'm going to tap on it and wait for it to load. It must load before you send. So before that, I'm just going to paste in my prompt and wait for it to load. Now once I send the second one, I go over to the third one, to the third scene, copy the motion prompt, so again I'll tap on the plus button, look for the third one where it said the girl feeding chicken. I'll tap on it and then put in my prompt and I resend it. You can see. Next is the fourth one. I go to scene 4 and take in my motion prompt. I do it the same way I've been doing the remaining ones. Go to the same plus button. Fourth one where it says girl discovers plants. As you can see, that is what it's saying here. So I will click on it. I put in my motion prompt and send. Now whenever you see this button here, when you see this button, just know you have exhausted your limit for the day. You will no longer create another one. The next thing is for you to log into another email and continue from where you stopped. So if you see something like this that says failed, just tap on it to redo it. We no longer have any credit. As you can see, if you see this orange thing here, that means our credit is finished. Like for the day, 50 credits. Like for the day, the credit is finished. If you do not know, weeks give 50 credits per day, every single day. Weeks will give you 50 credits. So what we do is to log into different emails and you will get 50 credits per emails. Now I'm going to go ahead to save all these images because I'll be using them in the next email, because this email is obviously done. So I'll go ahead to save these images one after the other. After saving the images, I will go ahead to start saving the videos one after the other. Every single video we generated, I'll start saving it one after the other till I am done saving the video. Now that we are done downloading our images and our videos, we are going to use Grok. I want to also produce the videos using Grok. You know, I taught you how to use Whisk to change your image to video. Now I want to use Grok now. Now I go over to my Grok. This is how Grok looks like. Now if you look up here, it is on Ask. But we want to make use of Imagine. That is where we'll be turning anything from image to video. Now I will just tap on the plus button and I will go to the next section. Check for the next one. The next one says Anna sitting beside large window, so I know we are dealing with this. I go over to scene 5 to copy the motion prompt. Copy the motion prompt, take it over to Grok. Then I put my motion prompt and send it over. So we are going to wait for it to finish generating. We'll wait for it, but before that, let's go to the next scene and copy the motion prompt. If you don't want to wait for Grok, you can actually go and start posting the next one, go and paste the next one, animate photos. This is the next scene. I'm going to paste the motion prompt and I will send. I will go back again, which is scene 7, to copy the prompts. Now the image prompt, for us to identify it, it says Anna lying in bed wearing pajamas. And okay, go to animate my photos, then I choose the one we are going to be dealing with and paste my prompts as usual. Wait for it to load. Once it's done, I then send. I do the same thing again, go over to my ChatGPT, go to the last one, I get the prompts, copy the prompts, come over to Grok. So I go to animate the next photo, which is this, which is the last photo by the way, and I paste the animation prompts and send it. And everything is generating now. All I need to do is to go over to the library. This is the library section here, and you see all the videos that you've generated, and see all our videos has been turned to video. So I'm just gonna download them one after the other.
Time to sleep, little one.
Grandma, look at my drawing.
It's beautiful, Hana.
So now that we've downloaded everything, we need to now edit them one after the other. For editing, we are going to be using an app called CapCut. Tap on New Project, and then we start putting in all the videos one after the other. Now, one thing is you should not make mistakes. Please do not make mistakes. If you feel okay, you do not really understand, please go ahead, go to your ChatGPT and check one after the other, like cross check well, so you know you are putting in the right one. Now I'll go to my ChatGPT. I can still get this first 4 right, yes, but I'll go to my ChatGPT and see if I'm correct. Add all of them. Now this is how it looks like. Okay, now we are not done. We need to add our audio. And I'm going to be adding audio. Now for the music or for the sound, you are going to add a very soft piano sound. If you watch most Ghibli videos, the sound or the music playing under each videos are always calm, always cinematic, always soft. So this is something you want to look at. Now for you to get sound, go to your YouTube audio library. If you are posting on YouTube, you know you need to post non-copyrighted music, especially when you are dealing with long form videos. And if you are doing for short, you don't necessarily need to look for non-copyrighted music. But when it comes to long form videos, you really need to be careful. Go over to your YouTube studio library and look for sound that you can use. Search for vlogs, search for soft piano or cinematic music, cinematic sound. These are sound you need for your YouTube channel, especially when you're posting Ghibli style. If you're posting Ghibli style, look for cinematic music, for soft piano, look for something like that. Yes, this is what you want to look at. Now I have gotten the sound I want, I've gotten the sound I need. I am going to put it. Now for this, the first thing I'm going to do on CapCut is to tap on audio, then I tap on sound, then I go over to this file section here, then I tap on device, then I select from my device. Now these are the 3 music I actually got that I feel I'm interested in, so I'm just gonna open it to my ChatGPT, to my CapCut. I'm going to play them one after the other and see which one I like. Yeah, and yeah, let's check it out. So as you can see, it looks good. Now another thing remaining is transition. Now this is optional, you do not really need to put in transition, or let me see what mine will do with transition. I just want to put a little bit of transition, something little, something small into this. Okay, I think I will do this. This is optional, like I said, it is optional, but I want to go for it. I can do it. This next one apply to all. Every single transition can be applied to all clip. Let me scroll to the end. Okay. Now this thing about CapCut, you need to delete it. Okay. And I will delete the remaining sound. Yeah, so let us export. Just like that, we've created our own Ghibli style. So yeah, we are done.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video the same way I enjoyed creating it. I will see you again in another video, guys. Bye.